the next thing we're gonna talk about real quick is the bins. How was the bins?
Yeah, what day did we go? Was it Thursday? We
went
went on
on
a Thursday. We were supposed to go on a Tuesday. My son was sick.
Yeah.
So we had to stall, and we ended up going on a Thursday, and wow, what a difference. Like, the last couple of times we've gone to the bins in Pennsylvania, it's been like hit or miss. We'll get like one cart full of clothing and some shoes scattered in there and some hard goods scattered in there, but never like a huge haul filling the car. This time was crazy. Bin after bin after bin of nice shoes, and we just couldn't walk away. We were like addicted. We were like, nah, man, I gotta find the match. I was really bad. I found an SAS shoe that looked like it was pristine. It was a sandal. I was like, it's spring. Let's get this shoe. I couldn't find it. I looked through 3 different bins, and it was breaking my back, lifting junk out of the way to find the shoe. Couldn't find it. But we ended up hauling in a ton of shoes, like a cart full of shoes. And the bottom filled, stuffed with shoes.
We had
all premium goods.
90 pounds worth of shoes, which was about 55 pairs of shoes, and another 80 pounds of clothes.
Yeah, clothes were still good, but the shoes was crazy.
It came up to a total of $300.
And you got 2 hiking backpacks with the frame,
backpacks,
which are huge. What else did I get?
It was the best bins we've had since we've moved up here.
Yeah, before that we were like, oh, this bins is kind of stinky because we're not finding a whole lot. Like, they actually cycled through really quick. So each time a tray comes out, they left it for like, what, maybe like 45 minutes, an hour? It wasn't even
45 minutes.
And then they take it away from you and put another one in and have more stuff in it. I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, it was like, it felt like it was 15, 20-minute turnarounds.
It was fast
because we were trying to sort our item. We had 4 carts. And we're trying to sort to make sure we were keeping what we wanted to keep. And before we were even close to being done, another cart
Another table was coming out.
Yeah, but another table, we're talking about like another 6 tables if you ever been to the bins. They come out, actually it was 8. 4 tables of hard and 4 tables of clothing. Now, when you're at the bins, which do you prefer? Which do you enjoy more? Clothing, searching for clothes, or hard items?
I would say hard items are more fun, but there's very few of them that I'll actually keep. Like, I passed up on a doll that I was like not thinking about. I remember I was on shoe mode. I was searching for that SAS shoe. I was searching for all these other really good shoes, and I had a doll in my hand that was like, it was like an Alaskan Indian doll, and it was cute, but I was like, oh, it's just a doll. It's kind of cute. It's probably touristy. It's probably like a gift thing. And I just put it down. But then I thought about it when I got home. I was like, I wonder if that actually was worth anything. It turned out it was like $15. I mean, it could have been more.
$15 is not bad.
But $15 for a little doll, I could have, if I had the mindset to look for it and check it out, I could have kept it and sold it, but it didn't happen.
That's my thing with hard items. When I go to the bins, I love looking in the hard bins.
It's fun.
It's way more fun than the clothes. The clothes is packed too tight, and it's just clothes after clothes after clothes, and it's like labor. It's boring. And the hard bins, they're not packed that tight at all.
Yeah, it's like
very loose
sometimes.
and scattered, and it's just so easy to just navigate the hard bins and find stuff. I enjoy it better. But my problem is the lack of knowledge that I have when it comes to hard
I don't know
goods.
if I want to take this or not. So what you end up doing at the bins is you grab things that you think might be worth something, you throw it in your cart, and then when you have a second to breathe, you go ahead and look on your phone or check and see if there's any good comps.
The thrift stores that we have nearby, I think their hard sections are pretty poor. They're not that good.
Like which ones?
The Salvations, the Goodwills. I mean, pick them. Their hard section's not that good.
I like St. Vincent's actually. Now that I'm starting to learn hard goods.
St. Vincent's actually really good.
There's one really close to us that's pretty big. It's like a big building, and they have a lot of like glassware and stuff. And I'm just now starting to learn mugs and glassware. And what is it? Mugs. No, but I'm saying, where did I find my Hard Rock? I think it was Goodwill. I found the Hard Rock Cafe shot glasses. So before we started doing hard goods like more thoughtfully, we were just focusing on clothes. I noticed Hard Rock Cafe shot glasses, like a whole bunch of them on the shelf, and I walked by. I was like, we sell Hard Rock Cafe t-shirts, so what about the shot glasses? So I looked them up, and they're actually worth like $10 and up. I was like, okay, so let me grab all of them. They were only 50 cents each, and they're small, they're easy to ship, something safe for me to dabble in with hard goods. So I ended up doing that, and now they've consistently been selling. I had like 14 of those shot glasses.
Yeah, we sold a good amount.
I am only down to like maybe 4 left. I just sold one today, Cancun Hard Rock Cafe. I'm like, yeah, that's some good money for 50 cents each. I sold it for like 12 plus shipping.
12 plus shipping.
Which is good money for something that doesn't require...
It's 12 free shipping.
No, I think that one was shipping.
That one was shipping?
The one, I think it was. I can't remember. It might have been free shipping. I can't remember. But still a decent profit for something that's low maintenance. Like, it's not going to break because it's dense little glass. It's easy to ship. It's lightweight. It's easy to photograph. It's like one shot, click, and you're done. Like, and it's easy to list. So I'm like, why not?
Well, that's another thing that we're starting to add into our inventory is those low maintenance small items. Because soon we'll probably run out of space.
Yeah, for clothes at least. We're gonna run out of space.
The storage area that we have back there, I think, estimate will hold about 3,000 items. But
for clothes,
yeah, that's just clothes. But we need to start adding the smaller items that take less space. Shot glasses, a little bit of hard goods here and there.
I only have like 3 pieces of jewelry, and they're all like costume jewelry, but they're cute. So I'm like, okay, they might sell online.
Yeah, I have one watch. That watch hasn't gotten any.
No, it has on Poshmark. So we're selling it on Poshmark too, and that we have it double listed on eBay and Poshmark, and the watch is getting a lot of attention on Poshmark. That actually might go soon. We'll see.
It needs to. We also have some other videos. Please check out the other videos. We also have some other videos. Thanks for watching ELO Flip. For more videos on reselling, what sold, item research, please subscribe to the ELO Flip YouTube channel.